Good morning, everyone. It's a little chilly here in Utah. Still got the down jacket on in my office. So, something I've been up to lately, I've decided I need to brush up on my own Fusion 360 and design skill set. And I've been working really hard to improve my 3D printing capabilities and figure that out. And I've joined a makerspace here locally where I'm working with right now learning the CNC, learning the X carve for wood specifically, and trying to figure that out. So I had an idea. Why not make videos for the design community, for this community, based on the things that I'm learning each day? And hopefully, either it's review for you or it's brand new concept and it's helpful. That's my hope and that's the plan. One thing I've got a question for you guys is what are your questions? What would you like to see covered in this upcoming series? So, if you want to send it, put it in the comments below. If it's more involved, send it to me at my email at tyler@techanespresso.com. And if it is more involved, the more screenshots you can put in the email, the more you can put maybe even into a video explaining what you're trying to model, what you're trying to 3D print. It'd be really fun to kind of collaborate together on this. I'd love to answer your questions. So look forward to seeing you guys. The plan is to post about 5 videos per week, and let's just see how long I can keep that up. Excited to see you guys in the next round of videos. Have a great weekend.